Understanding, in the twinkling of an eye. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, in the twinkling of an eye. This expression is a brilliant example of how English can use imagery to convey meaning quickly and vividly. Stay tuned as we break down its origins, meanings, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. In the twinkling of an eye refers to something happening very quickly or instantaneously. The word twinkling here relates to a sudden, brief flash or gleam of light, much like the twinkle you might see in someone's eye when light reflects off it briefly. So, when we use this phrase, we're comparing the rapid occurrence of an event to the quick, fleeting twinkle seen in an eye. The phrase, in the twinkling of an eye, has biblical origins, making it quite ancient and steeped in history. It appears in the Christian Bible in 1 Corinthians chapter 15 verse 52, used to describe the suddenness of the change that will occur at the end of times. Despite its religious roots, the phrase has transcended its biblical usage and is now commonly used in secular contexts to describe any quick or sudden change or event. You can use, in the twinkling of an eye, in various contexts to emphasize the speed at which something happens. Here are a few examples. Change. The city has grown in the twinkling of an eye, transforming from a small town to a bustling metropolis. Emotions. Her mood changed in the twinkling of an eye, from gloomy to joyous upon hearing the good news. Action. The magician made the card disappear in the twinkling of an eye. This phrase is especially useful in narrative writing, storytelling, or when you want to make an impression of the swift nature of an event or action in conversations. To get comfortable using, in the twinkling of an eye, try creating your own sentences or short stories. Think about situations that change quickly. Perhaps weather changes, emotional reactions, or even magical transformations in stories. We hope this exploration of, in the twinkling of an eye, has illuminated this beautiful phrase for you. English is full of such vivid expressions that can add color and depth to our conversations and writing. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and every phrase you master adds to your ability to express yourself more richly and accurately. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using English expressions like a native speaker, in the twinkling of an eye. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Happy learning!